Hey guys, so I wanted to make a quick chapter on actually building the buyers list. This is extremely simple. Don't overcomplicate this part. All we need is to collect the info from those Facebook groups or leads that have come in for buyers of our previous deals. Collect that info, name and email in the actual market they're interested in. However you want to do that is however you want to do that, right? It can literally be like on a spreadsheet. It can be on anything you'd like, but we do have to have some type of software to send out future deals, right? When I have 100 people or 50 people or 30 people on my buyers list, I need a software to send out those deals to them in the future, right? We're going to create a property description with the Dropbox link and all that stuff, which we're going to talk about in the next chapter. But I wanted to just make a quick chapter on the actual buyers list. This, what I have right here, is FreedomSoft. This is an all-in-one kind of CRM, a real estate CRM service, and I don't use 99% of the stuff that's on here. And by the way, I don't suggest you get this if you're just starting off. This is $200 a month. The only thing I use it for is collecting my buyers list and sending out the actual property descriptions when I get the property on the contract. So sending out my deals. Those are the two things that I use this for. They have a ton of other stuff. I mean, you could just look here and see all this stuff. You can even collect, like, if you have properties coming in, you want to collect some leads and the info on the property and all that. Right here is where I collect all my buyers. I think right now I have a total of 600 buyers across all my markets that I work across. I won't click on this because all their information will pop up, but I just wanted to show you where it is. Once you do click on this, right here on the left hand side, it'll be add buyer, and you literally enter their information and click save in whatever market they're in. You can create a group for the market. It's going to say groups just like this. You can create a group for, let's say, Charlotte market, and you'll just add them to that, right? So that's just the buyers themselves on here. You can literally, I'm sure you've heard of like MailChimp or any email blast kind of software. You can use any of those. There's a lot of free ones out there that you can use. Just Google and just download a free one, right? We just need to collect the buyer's information and have some way to send the email. And it's as simple as that. I don't want to make this a huge chapter because it shouldn't be. It's just collecting the actual information and getting that deal out to them. And that's it, guys. I'll see you in the next chapter.